G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's November 27, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. On a weekly, daily and hourly timeframes, you can see here just in summary, we're in a bit of an up move. Although just be careful, we might have a bit of a retrace in the lower timeframes. So just I would explain each of these. So what we have down here is a CCI 400 and that's broken above its moving average and ever so slightly heading north in alignment with the price action. You'll notice the CCI 150, which is our divergence indicator, is not showing any real divergence at this point. So all things going well. There was a divergence back here historically, and that's why I use this as a divergence indicator between, there was a couple of divergences. There was one there between that point, and the price did fall off slightly. And there's another point now again, or there was another point between that area. As soon as we start drawing this to that point there, and there was a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. That also happened on the 400 as well, but we get more action on the 150 normally. Versus the price action, you can see there higher highs versus lower highs, and eventually did fall off quite substantially. Now again, there's no bullish divergence back here, but in terms of the trend, the CCI 400, it's broken above its moving averages, as I said, so slightly more bullish longer term. On the daily, we did have again, we're still in a up movement on the CCI 400, but you'll notice the CCI 150 showed a bearish divergence, and it's still in play. And we draw a target area between a 23% and a 38% level. We expect to hit that level there. As well, we've got a minor support area at 35,520, and most likely it'll penetrate through there and hit this target area on this, based on this bearish divergence versus the price, before possibly making further upside. Although if it does fall down through there, we've also got this diagonal trend line. It may actually come and rest on that if it does break through that area. So first things first, we need to see it break to the downside off these two resistance areas. This hard resistance at 38,420 and a minor resistance at 37,940. So we'll play it one day at a time, and this is on the daily chart. On the hourly, it's been fluctuating in that between this minor support and minor resistance area for some time, and you can see there it's bouncing off that major resistance to the downside. There was a very small minor divergence on that CCI 400, but you can see here the CCI 400 is fluctuating, a bit of a roller coaster ride up and down, and at the moment it's still in a bit of a downtrend. So again, in line with potentially a further decline in the price. So just be careful about going long, even though the longer term time frames are showing bullish movement at the moment. So we may most likely have a bit of a bearish retrace to the downside, as I said, according to this daily time frame divergence. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.